Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix remote computer requires network level authentication or NLA. So it's a very simple fix and let's get straight into it. So you're going to open your Windows Start menu right here and you're going to type in Advanced Settings. You can see here Advanced System Settings. Okay, click on that and you'll get this small pop-up window. Here you're going to go into the Remote tab and you're going to see down here it says allow remote connections, and under that you have a checkbox allow connections only from computers running remote desktop in network level authentication. So you're going to uncheck that, click on apply, okay, restart your PC, and you're done. So that's all for this video guys. I hope this video helped. Do support by liking, sharing and subscribing, and yeah, that's all for me. Thanks for watching folks.